Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you how to make this blueberry lemon coconut flavored pound cake, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So to get started with this pound cake, you are going to need 1 stick of room temperature butter, and we are going to go ahead and whip it for a little bit, mix it. And then you want to go ahead and add 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And then you want to blend it for about 1 to 2 minutes. After that 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and add in your 2 large eggs, one at a time. And then whip it for about 2 minutes again until it's fluffy. Then go ahead and add in your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, plus a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then sieve it. After adding our other ingredients, we're going to mix it for a little bit, and then we are going to go ahead and add in our 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, and continue mixing again. So the other ingredient that we are going to add in is a lemon zest, and this is going to be about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. And then we are going to go ahead and use a half of the lemon juice squeezed in, and of course I'm using my zester to make sure that the seed don't go in. And we are going to continue mixing everything. My final ingredient, guys, is my 1 cup of blueberry. Of course, with my blueberry, I did go ahead and put my blueberry after washing it into some powdered flour, so that way it doesn't have too much water in it. And then for my pan, I'm using my 7-inch pan, and of course it's a small little pound cake pan, and I sprayed it with the baking spray. So the baking time for this pound cake was at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes plus an additional 5 minutes. So this is how it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and make our icing, which I'm using my other half of my lemon plus 1 cup of icing powder or sugar powder. And then we're gonna go ahead and whoop it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract while our cake is cooling down. I have to warn you guys that my cake was not cooled down, and I thought it was cooled down enough, so you want to give it more time to cool down. But I went ahead thinking that my cake was already cooled down, and I drizzled all my icing on there, and of course it melted in, so it didn't look as pretty as I thought. So you guys have to really wait for the cake to cool down for the final decorating and stuff like that. But this pound cake turned out to be so good, and I just wanted to share with you guys. And I want to say thank you for those who are watching, for those who are subscribing. Please come again. I'll see you next time. Bye.